Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create group to share Google Docs. If you want to share the document to more than one people using the group, this video is for you. Find the Google Docs, now open it. Now choose one document that you want to share to more than one people. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the three dot lines at the top right corner. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the share and export option. Simply choose it. Then here you can find the share button at the first one. Simply tap on it. Then type the name of the people that you want to share and add the email. Now choose the email of the person and tap on it. Simply after selecting it, you can tap onto the share button right here. After sending it, the Google Docs will automatically create a group. And that's it. This is how you can create group to share in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.